presenting a pre-owned 2021 Ford Ranger. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Ford has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.